documentary about the wind and if it is a myth, like the sun.
Today we are going to talk about the wind, the sun and the dog.
The dog is in the part of the documentary.
Get away. Anyway.
That's what you get when you kick a dog.
Keep it running, but pretend yeah. Today we are going to talk about the oh my god, the dog.
This is like outtake TV.
Today
We're gonna take the dog out of the room and come back.